In this video, I'll be talking about CSS box model. So CSS box model is a very fundamental concept of CSS where everything is assumed to be a box, assumed to be a box. Like if there is some HTML elements or some content HTML like div, like there is a div, there is a image tag, then there's some paragraph or anything that is contained in that's everything is assumed that it is inside of a box, a rectangular box, and everything is inside that. Like the div is inside some box, that paragraph inside some box, and like images inside of some box. So this is how the box model works. And it that box can have like multiple other properties also. Like assume that this is a box and this is a box, or we can say the content. It can have some like padding will be like, if this is the content and this is the border, this is the border of that content. So in the in the middle will be the padding that is associated with that associated with that content. So border, in terms like padding is that space which is like like spacing things from the border and the content. So this difference is padding. And then certainly comes the border is that border is just a border of that box, of that border contents border. And secondly, then there is margin is what, like if this is the content and this is between, this is the padding, this is the border, this is the border. So out of this there will be margin is also some space that is added to the box model. But just the difference between margin and padding is that padding is inside of that border and margin is outside of that border. So this is what basically a box model is, where everything is assumed to be a box.